What if I told you, the wrong baby food maker could be wasting your time, money, and even risking your baby's nutrition? After testing 15+ models, I've uncovered the top 5 baby food makers of 2025, and number 2 will shock you with its smart features. Stick around because number 5 has a hidden flaw most parents miss. Oh, and all purchase links? Check the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend. The Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend is a small appliance that combines the functionality of a pot, steaming basket, and blender. With the twist of a dial, we were able to cook, steam, and puree ingredients in the same bowl, which saved counter space and dishes to wash. We especially love the auto blend cycle, which steams and then blends the food. You can also customize the puree's thickness and texture as you go. Unlike a traditional blender, the Nutribullet Baby Steam Plus Blend doesn't make much noise at all. In fact, during testing we had to actively listen for the beeps that indicate the food is ready, which is comforting for parents who want to try their hand at it while their baby sleeps. Cleaning the blender was fairly easy, as well, since we could load the plastic parts straight into the dishwasher. We used raw room temperature carrots to make baby food, and it took the Nutribullet 26 minutes to fully steam them. Once blended, the consistency of the carrots was just like what we'd expect to see in a store-bought jar. Steaming and blending frozen peas took slightly longer, and the consistency felt more like hummus or split pea soup. Overall, the food came out looking good to eat and it had the right consistency for emerging eaters. Number 2. BEABA Babycook Neo Baby Food Maker. If an appliance is going to live on your countertop, it might as well look nice, right? The BEABA Baby Food Maker is one such appliance that you can feel confident about leaving out for guests to see. It has a clean, modern aesthetic with a contrasting black and white color scheme that gives it an elegant and sophisticated edge. It comes with a glass bowl, stainless steel steam basket, and a large stainless steel reservoir, making this product more stain-resistant and eco-friendly than plastic baby food makers. In addition to the beautiful design, the BEABA Baby Food Maker was made with busy parents in mind. The entire appliance can be operated with one hand, and you can feel free to set it and forget it, since it'll beep 3 times when the cooking cycle is complete. One of our favorite features is that it allowed us to predetermine the consistency of the food we made, and after one 20-minute steam and blend cycle, we were happy to see that our peas and carrots were vivid in color and looked smooth and appealing. Number 3. Newbie Mighty Blender Baby Food Maker Set. When it comes to the most bang for your buck, the Newbie Mighty Blender outshines all other baby food makers. For just $50, you get a 22-piece system that has everything you need to prep, serve, and store fresh food for your baby. In addition to a 15.6-ounce batch bowl, it comes with food storage cups and lids, a freezer tray, a microwave-safe steaming basket, feeding spoons, and a cookbook. It also has 2 blades, one for blending and one for milling grain, and a spatula, which was really helpful in scraping out every last bit of food from the blender bowl. Although this blender is compact, we feel that its pieces and accessories are built to last. And once we read through the instruction manual, this blender was really simple to use. Just press the blender bowl down on the motor to activate the blend cycle. While the blender lid got pretty messy during our testing, this entire product was quick and easy to clean. Thankfully, its glass blender bowl and cup are dishwasher safe, although the rest of the plastic pieces are not. Number 4. Evla's Baby Food Maker. The last thing we sleep-deprived parents need is a complicated appliance to figure out. Evla's Baby Food Maker is so straightforward that it quickly became part of our daily routine. Its user-friendly design and 2-step process allowed us to quickly steam, blend, and store homemade baby food in minutes. We especially love that suggested steam times are listed on the side of the blender for parents to follow and that the instruction manual included video links, which we could easily watch while multitasking in other ways. We also appreciate that this baby food maker has an auto blend cycle and an alarm that indicates when the food is ready, which makes using this product a truly hands-off experience. The best part, however, was using the self-cleaning feature, which the manufacturer suggests running after every use. An appliance that makes baby food and cleans up after itself? Say no more. Number 5. Nutribullet Baby Bullet Blender. This powerful little blender has everything you need to make, serve, and store homemade baby food. In addition to a 32-ounce blender bowl, it comes with a freezer tray, short cup with lid, recipe book, and 6 storage cups that fit neatly into a tray that stores your fresh purees. We found that the storage cups were helpful in portioning food, which was convenient for those grab-and-go moments. We also love that the storage cup lids have a date dial to ensure your baby is always eating the freshest food. While this blender doesn't steam food or have a timer function, we were impressed with how quickly, and quietly, it blended our items. We appreciated that the instruction manual was easy to follow and taught us step by step how to create purees with the right consistency for a baby's age. We also liked that the recipe book had great suggestions on how to combine different foods, and can see this being a helpful guide for parents. Cleaning a traditional blender can be tricky with all the nooks, crannies, and sharp blades. Thankfully, the Nutribullet Baby Bullet Blender was a breeze to clean by hand, and we love that most of its parts are dishwasher safe as well. So, which baby food maker are you choosing? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with fellow parents, and subscribe because next week, I'm exposing 3 baby food makers to avoid in 2025. See you then.